Madison. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a full face of Colourpop makeup. And when did Colourpop start carrying foundations and setting powder and setting spray and primer? I'm confused. And brow pencils. But yeah, I'm really excited to do this full face, and I ordered everything off the Colourpop website, which I will leave down below. And the only thing I don't have is an eye primer. I don't know if they sell one or not, but yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I see is this matte and blur primer. And oh my god, the packaging is so cute. All star. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt a bit on my hand. Ooh, it's like kind of runny. It's like really thin. And you get my beauty blender and just... Okay, now I'm just going to rub it in my face. And it smells like citrusy. It's really good, and like it goes on like not like a usual primer. Like it doesn't go on oily. I've noticed about a lot of primers it feels really oily when you put them on. I love the smell. I'm definitely using this again. I love it. Wow, and it's almost like a cooling sensation too. That's weird. But okay, I really like that. That's super good. Next is for brows. So I'm going to be using the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. Oh, it scares me because it says precision. Yep, it's going to be really tiny. Can't work with this. Look how freaking skinny one. Okay, so I'm starting brushing my brows since they haven't been brushed. Okay, so just to like clean it up a bit, I'm gonna use a bit of concealer and do my thing. And then, so it's now it's time for foundation. So I'm getting the Colourpop foundations, and here's what they look like. So here's what they look like. These are glass bottles, and they're super cute. So I think I'm gonna go with this shade. I got two. I'm going to be using the darker one. And I'll pump it on my hand first and see. Oh, it's really runny, kind of. It's a little dark, so I'm going to have to mix it with the other one. Okay, so now that I got my perfect shade. I mean, this is a cool beauty blender. I didn't know the like brand of it though. So we got this beauty blender at Michael's, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's so soft. I think it's better than the actual beauty blender. So guys, how's your summer been, and when do you guys start school? I've heard a couple people that already started school. And the foundation is really good. It's not, I wouldn't say it's dewy. I feel like it is matte. But yeah. So now I'm gonna do the concealer. It's about to drop. Okay, so I'm gonna get my Colourpop concealer that I used for my brows. I already showed you guys, and I used it in other videos because I absolutely love this concealer. And yeah. So I'm just gonna blend this all out with my beauty blender. Okay, so after the concealer, that's how it looks like, and now I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. So it has the little holes. So I'm gonna get my beauty blender and just set my face. I'm not baking. So far everything's looking pretty good. So now it's on for eyeshadows. So now I'm using the Fortune palette, and it's so pretty. Here's how it looks like. Super cute packaging. Whoa. So here's the colors, and I'm gonna go for a natural look today. Actually, I'm not. So I'm gonna go in with the Mo Problems, and I'm gonna get that. So I'm gonna get Mo Problems, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. As a crease color. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Trove, and it's like a purple. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. Very pigmented. So, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mister. It's like that one right there. Why is it? That's orange. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Jackpot. I'm gonna use my setting spray from Colourpop, and I'm gonna wet my brush. Here that looks like. The bottle's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Jackpot. Ooh. This is the same color, but it's like chrome. Ooh, and then that setting spray smells like flowers. Ah, this is bad. So here's how it looks like, and it basically blended in with that other color, which sucks. So I'm just gonna tap a highlighter on top of it and give it some pop, but first I'm gonna go ahead and start with, so I'm gonna use the bronzer, and here's how it looks. So I'm using this one. This is the packaging. What the heck? Here's how it looks like. So after that, I'm gonna go in with the highlighters, and I have 3 highlighters to choose from. I have Spellbound, Monster, and Felicity. And I'm gonna go with, so I'm gonna try this one on my eyes. I'm gonna use Spellbound on my eyes. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Ooh, they're cream. They're like cream. Here's what it looks like. So it's basically glitter. Oh, that's really pretty on there. It's kind of squishy. Okay. I really like that for eyes. I wouldn't use that as a highlighter personally. But now I'm gonna go in with Felicity, and I'm gonna use this as my highlighter. Hello? It's just glitter. I hate highlighters like those guys. There's nothing there. It's all glitter. Okay, I see these more as like eyeshadows, not highlighters, because this is terrible. I'm not gonna have a good highlight. They did so good to the highlighter. Look, it leaves like streaks of glitter. Who wants streaks of glitter on their face? Okay. But now I'm gonna go in with the blush, and when I saw this, I was like, eyeshadow, because this looks way too dark to be a blush, in my opinion. I'm gonna get my blush brush, barely. That's pigmented, and I barely touched it, and it looks like a regular blush. Next, I'm gonna go on with the lipsticks. Wait, I want to see the gloss first and like what color that is, because I might not want to do the lipstick, so I get the gloss. Let's see. Ooh, so I'm gonna see the lipstick. This is Here's the packaging for the lipsticks. I'll go and use this one. And here's the other one. I'm gonna use this one instead. And it's like matte lipstick. Now I'm gonna do the gloss. It's like a stick. I would rather have the lip gloss with the doe foot. So I don't really like the lip gloss. I love the color, but I just don't like it because of the wand. So yeah. So this is the complete makeup look. Let me get some lashes on and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look, and my least favorite product was probably the lipstick and lip gloss. I did not like those. And the highlighter is non-existent. So yeah. So my favorite thing was the foundation, the concealer, surprisingly the brow stuff wasn't that bad. And yeah. I forgot to do the setting spray. They come out. So now that I look like I'm sweating, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!